Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a new viewer, a very special welcome to you, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to convert from PDF to Word format for free. First thing, open your web browser, search for small PDF. Now I have to scroll down and it would be this one. It's this one with the multicolored icon. Go to this website, then select explore all PDF tools. Next, PDF converter. Choose files. I'm going to choose our file. Upload from device. And here I have a PDF file. This is a lesson plan which I want to convert to Word. And with this website, you are allowed 2 conversions per day for free. Now I'm converting to Word. Now I will just download. So here is it. The file is now downloaded. This is it. And from here I can enable editing. So I can now add or delete information. I hope you found this video helpful, and again thanks for watching. See you next time.